Hello students, in this video I will teach you about even and odd numbers. Suppose we have a collection of 8 toys. Now group these toys into pairs, that is sets of 2 toys each. After making group of these 8 toys, there is not any single toy left. It means 8 toys can be fully grouped into pairs. Such number which can be fully grouped into pairs are called even numbers. Even numbers end up in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Thus 10, 12, 24, 36 and 48 are all even numbers. Now suppose you have a collection of 5 apples. Now group these apples into pairs, that is sets of 2 apples each. After making pairs, we can see there is 1 apple left. So 5 cannot be fully grouped into pairs. Such numbers which cannot be fully grouped into pairs are called odd numbers. Odd numbers are whole number. They cannot be divided into pairs. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers too. Thus 11, 13, 15, 17, 21, 23, 25 all are odd numbers. Ring the objects in pairs to find whether they are even or odd. Then count and write the number in the correct column. One has been done for you. There are 7 dolls. We make pair of these dolls, but 1 is left. So 7 is an odd number. Now we have 4 cards. 4 can be fully grouped into pairs. It means 4 is an even number. Now we have 9 keys. 9 cannot be fully grouped into pairs. 1 key is left here. It means 9 is an odd number. Now we have a 5 cycles. When we make pair of these objects, 1 is left here. It means 5 cannot be fully grouped into pairs. 5 is an odd number. Let's count the balloons. More exercise for
there
you.
There are
13 balloons. 13 cannot be fully grouped into pairs. So, we can say 13 is an odd number. Let's count football. There are 14 footballs. 14 can be grouped into pairs. So 14 is an even number. There are 17 tops. 17 cannot be fully grouped into pairs. So 17 is an odd number. Look at the number series carefully. If in this series number carries 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in its ones place, then the number is an odd number. But if the number carries 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number will be an even number. Now you will do this exercise yourself. Hope you enjoy learning with me. Thank you for watching this video.